So we're here today to test out the Batis Dome Hide. Hide itself into a small rucksack, a very lightweight rucksack, light and compact. We'll start by packing out the dome hide, made of a light cotton twill. Hold out the hide, getting to the top of it over here, lay it out. Easy to set up, take out your poles from the quiver. It's got Velcro pieces there to keep it firmly in place. Put that to one side and you lay your poles out. Two white lines over there, and that connect with the other two white lines on the other poles have been joined together by elastic cord. You have joined the poles up, a set of two and then another set of three with a corresponding double white line. So you set up the poles nice and easy with the aid of the elastic. The hide has got four leg sleeves. That's that part there. It's got a little canvas tag. Make it easier to thread your poles through. The important thing is when you're setting up and taking down for that matter is not to put the poles into the boot at the bottom, but to allow them to extend as far possible away from the hide, and that will make it easier for you in the poles at the top. Right, so you have the first set of two in there, and now you're looking for the set of three, one stripe to one stripe. Frog in the background there, and simply push them together, lay it down on the ground, and gather your two other sets of poles. And again, marry up the double lines or the single lines on each set of poles. Come through as far as you can, and then flip over the whole structure like that to get your other poles inside there. Put a bit of tension on it, and then lift up the structure like that. Get your poles aligned. And then feed your legs into the bottom boots like that. Like that. And last but not least, and hey presto, you have a hide. There we are. There is a tag at the top here to tension up your roof. That's your door, which you can roll up different heights, halfway, then the full way up it goes, and then it is attached by a strip of Velcro on either side. Presto, you have a door. You have one of the two head height windows for when you are sitting in your chair. There's a bit of wind today, and for this purpose we have four different gyro groups attached to the sleeves. Peg it down on each side. You peg it down, and so it goes on to the four legs. So with these head height windows, as we call them, we have designed curtains, netting curtains, Velcro, and this is to conceal your camera effectively when it is sticking out a window. Curtain on the inside here. Yeah, you'll see the one head height window open and the back one is now closed. Here you can see the opposite window, it's drawn up halfway. So here we have the panel with two windows in it. The bottom, a long wide thin strip, which is what we call the prone window, where you lie down opposite the large door opening so that you can lie down in the hide, get a ground level angle on your subject while having your feet stick out the other side. At the top over here, skylight, multi-purpose window that we have. It allows sunlight to come in, it allows ventilation to filter through the hide, as well as allowing you to stand up in the hide, which is really important when you've been sitting for a long time, and allows you to get photographs of birds above the hide. Down the bottom here is your prone window where you can move, get around, get your low level, ground level shots. This is the ripstop canvas boot sewn into the base of the hide, which the pole goes in. This is one of the two pockets on the inside of the hide that you can store your mobile phone, your lens caps. This is the other set of pockets, or the double pocket. This is a tag at the top of the tent which loops around the two poles. Then of course all good things come to an end and it's time to take the hide down. A couple of just simple rules that one needs to just adhere to make it simpler. The first one, the most important, is to take your poles from out of the boot, the canvas boot at the base, and allow your poles to spread eagle themselves. Take the tag off the top. Check where your lines are. There's your two lines. It'll be easier for you to pull the poles out like that. And again on the other side, the white lines, there we are. And you just push the poles, feed them through. Don't pull them, push them through. If you pull them, they're going to come apart. So, you keep on feeding them out, got them all there, liberate them, just put them back into your quiver. Tension it up, and away you go. Find the center of your hide again, which is there, fold it in half, two leg sleeves, pull them together, half to a quarter. Use the wind and bob your uncle. Away you go. Out comes the trusty bag. In goes the trusty hide. Onto your back. Away you go.